Hello everybody, it's me, Deepak from EasyMath with SDSS with a new video. In this video, we will be discussing on the problem of webcam. In this pandemic period, we might have faced the problem of webcam because we all are compelled to go through online mode, and in online mode definitely we need a webcam, good webcam. But you can see just here I don't have a webcam here. My laptop doesn't contain the webcam. Similarly, I might have been using that desktop also, and normally the desktops don't have webcam. So if you are facing such problem, if you don't have webcams, then how to make a video call, how to make an effective video call, let's have discussion on that. Or you might have a webcam, but its quality may not be good that much. So in this period, we all do have a smartphone with us, definitely, and using that camera of that smartphone, we can make a webcam. So in this video, we'll be having discussion on that how to make or how to convert the camera of your smartphone to a good webcam. So let's have a discussion. So for that, it's quite simple, no need to worry. It's quite simple. Just what you need to do is you need to download. You need to go to the Play Store of your smartphone and download DroidCam. You can see it here, DroidCam. So after you have installed that DroidCam app in your smartphone, in this computer also, just you can take any one browser, and in this browser just type here download DroidCam for PC. So you can see it here, Windows, the 47 apps. Just click here. So you can see here download option is there. Now just click there and just download it. It's a small file, so you can just download it in a few seconds, and then after you download it, then you can install it in your desktop or laptop. Now, and next step, what you need to do is, now you just open that DroidCam app in your smartphone and in your laptop or desktop also, and make sure your smartphone and that laptop or desktop both are connected to a same Wi-Fi. They both should be connected over same Wi-Fi, otherwise it may not work. So after you click there, then you will get this interface in your laptop or desktop, and just put the IP and port that you see in your mobile or smartphone. Then after you click it, okay, so let's click here. Okay, so just my webcam is ready now. I can use my webcam in this way. Just I will click here. Okay, so you can see here. So I'm using my phone or the smartphone, the camera of that smartphone, as my webcam. So you can see it here. So in this way you can convert your camera. Usually the camera of smartphone are very good nowadays, and you can use it as a webcam if you want. So this much for today. I hope you enjoy this video. It will be fruitful too. Very soon I'll be back with another piece of video. For today it's time to say goodbye. So bye everybody.